Unlock the power of seamless partnership with Pandadoc A Circumflex Euros. Let's build your sophisticated revenue share agreement in minutes. First, navigate to your Pandadoc dashboard and click Create New. To start a fresh document, select Templates and then the option to create new template. You can begin from scratch or leverage our extensive library for this tutorial. We'll select a general contract template as our foundation. Once you've chosen, click Use Template. Now, let's add the core components of your revenue share agreement in the content library. You'll find pre-written clauses. Search for terms like revenue share, partnership, or financial terms to find relevant sections. Drag and drop suitable clauses directly into your document. For instance, a revenue share allocation clause will be crucial. We'll then add a custom text block to define the exact percentage split. Click Add Content Block and select Text. To make your agreement dynamic and easy to fill, we'll use interactive fields. Go to the Fields tab. You'll need fields to specify the revenue sources, the percentage for each party, and the payout schedule. Drag a number field for percentages, a currency field for amounts, and a drop-down field for payment frequencies like monthly, quarterly, or annually. Click on each field as it's placed and assign clear, descriptive labels. For example, label a percentage field as Partner A Revenue Share Percent and another as Partner B Revenue Share Percent. This ensures clarity for everyone involved. Beyond the core revenue split, it's vital to include clauses for reporting and auditing processes, and clear terms for the agreement's duration and termination. Search for and add these from the content library to ensure all partnership aspects are formalized. Finally, to finalize your agreement, add signature fields for all parties participating in the revenue share. From the Fields tab, select Signature and drag it into place. With these steps, you've built a comprehensive and sophisticated revenue share agreement on Pandadoc, ready to formalize your partnership efficiently.